Hello, good morning, traders and investors. Welcome back to our morning trading recommendations channel for the morning sessions. Before we dive in, remember that everything we discuss here is purely for education purpose. Make sure to do your own research or consult a financial expert before making any investment decision. Let's starting off with the commodities market updates on the last Friday. Overnight, the soybean oil December month down 1.54 points to close lower at 39.63. The Dalian active farmer contracts dropped 92 points to close lower at 7834 on the night sessions. Malaysia Copama futures ended lower on Friday due to the weaker external market sentiment and anticipate increase in the production over the coming weeks, according to palm oil traders. The crude palm oil futures November month dropped 19 points to close lower at 3898. In the daily time frame, the price closed below the middles of the sideways consolidations. The middle range is seen at 3924 to 25 around here, which is also the resistance range, indicating the price likely to trade below this range. The hourly charts, let's see, is remain trading within the downward channels, pointing to the downside buyers. With the first support we see at around 3890 and 3885, which is quite near with the settlement price on previous sessions. If fail to stand above this line, could see further lower. Yeah. So we see the crucial support at around 3x60255, which is also the lowest on last week. It can hold this above this line, then we could see some buying opportunity for the short term. And the main plan still sell on the rebound if it's still trading below the middle range. Okay, so as the overall sentiment turn to weaker. So in the morning recommendations on CPO markets, short positions may be open below 3910 with the target at 3891 to 71 and a stop loss at 3930. Alternatively, long position may be open above 3910 with the target at 3924 to 43 and a stop loss at 3890. So next, we are turning our focus to the index market update. Overnight, the Dow Jones market on last Friday's sessions is dropped about 410 points to 40345. And due to the uncertainty about the health of the US economy is intensifying market volatility as the investor face a shifting Federal Reserve policy, a tight US elections, and concern over the high valuations on Friday. The US stock fell sharply after a key drop data revealed a greater than expected slowdown in the labor markets. This raised a concern about the US economy's ability to achieve a soft landing, where the Fed managed to curb inflation without severely impacting the growth. The Malaysia's benchmark index FBM-KLCI ended in the reds on last Friday, marking a fourth straight session of losses as worry about the US growth outlook dampened sentiment. FKLI September month dropped 12.5 points to close lower at 1635.5. The index on this morning sessions opened lower, tracking the weaker performance in overnight US markets, and the regional markets also trading in the red at the moment. The latest, the price is recovery from the lowest 1625 in the daily charts. Here's the support, the 50-day of SMA. The uptrend seems to remain intact, and we possibly to see some buying opportunity over here. But the sentiment, overall sentiment, still remain weaker. And okay, so in these hourly charts, there is a downward channel spotting also lah. And also now the price is trading at the bottom of the downward channels. We could see some buying opportunity, but the upside could be limited, and the next resistance we'll see at 1638 to 39 is over here, the resistance range. Highest could be at 1642 to 41. Yeah. So we potential to see some selling pressure if the markets manage to recover to this level. So here's our recommendations for the morning sessions. As we wrap up this session analysis, keep in mind that the market is ever changing. Successful trading requires both seizing opportunity and managing risk. Stay adaptable to market change and protect capital and trade wisely. So just keep in mind that everyone's perspective is subjective and the view we presented here are for reference. Wishing you all safe and successful trading. See you in the next update and happy trading.